Hello everybody and welcome to Acorn and Oak and ATC Thursday. You may recall that I made this backing when I made the ocean themed, coastal themed ATCs. I'll link the video below. So I'm going to use up the, I'm definitely going to use the what I created. So I'm going to cut these to size. So again, it's 3.5 by 2.5. So I made enough for 9 backgrounds. So there'll be another video using these backgrounds. So I'm just going to attach them to my cardboard ATC bases. Okay, I've got this pack of stickers that I've had in my stash for quite some time, and I'm really trying to use up as much as I can from my stash. So we're going to use some stickers with these. So this, I think these are from, yeah, the Jot. They're from Dollar Tree. I think I got these from, I think they came from Donna. I could be mistaken. Donna Jackson. I could be mistaken. But I'm going to ink the edges, I think. So let's get my, I want to use the purple. As I said when I was creating the background, purple is one of my favourite colours. If I can find it, that is. There it is. So I think I'm going to ink all these edges in the nice purple. And this is a Distress Ink Oxide. And it is Wild Violet. I've got some washi out as well, as I think I might use some washi. Okay. Then I guess I've just got to decide which. I want to use this blue feather here because I think it'll go nice with the washi. So let's put the washi on. Let's move these out of the screen. Okay. There's another blue one here. I'm not placing them down so that they're in the you know, the final resting place. I'm going to just lay them down and then see where I want them. I want this little one. No, I think I just want the blues. And then I think I'm going to use the Tim Holtz Ideology words. Stick these down because I've had them so long I don't know how well the glue is going to work, so I'm going to stick them down. And then choose my sentiment. I'm going to have Soulful Remedy. And just so they are slightly highlighted, I'm going to take a black pen and just go around them. Just to highlight them somewhat. And I think I might even do that with the feathers. Okay, that's one. Okay, this big sticker, let's put some purple washi and some blue washi. And this big sticker. Okay, let's cut the excess off. So this one I'm going to have Living the Dream. Okay, I think I might have some gems. These are gems I got from Poundland many moons ago, about 2-3 years ago. Maybe these pink ones. A couple of these pink ones. One here. Not tons, because I don't think it needs it. That's it. Okay, crouches, I think I'm going to call these ones done. So here we go. And then what I think I'll do is I'll do another video using the last background, and I'll do a different, because I think a lot of people assume you need to use, you know, stamps and all that kind of thing, but I'm trying to do as many different ways as possible. So like this video and another video where I use these backgrounds, I use stamps. So the next video I'm going to use some not stamps, stickers. Gosh, get that right, Gareth. In the next video I think I'll use some stamping, and do a bit of mixed media, I think. So that's today's video, and I'll see you next week with another ATC Thursday. Take care everyone, bye now.